This tutorial video shows you how to register a new name in ZooBank. Before you can register any content in ZooBank, you must first be logged in. After you have registered or selected the publication that contains the original description of new names, you can register those names by clicking the Register button. You should always start with the highest ranked names first. For example, if the publication establishes new family group names, register those first. Then register any new genus group names established in this publication. Finally, register new species group names. For new genus group names, enter the spelling exactly as it appeared in the original work, and also enter the page on which the formal description begins, and the type species name. If the authorship of the new name is the same as the authorship of the published work, then leave the default selection of Yes here. If the authorship of the name differs from that of the published work, you can select No here and enter the authorship in the box below. In this case, the authorship is the same, so we'll leave it selected on Yes. After entering all of the information, click on the Register Nomenclatural Act button and the new name will be registered. For species group names, start by selecting or entering the parent genus in which the species group name was established within this work. In this case, the genus was also registered in this publication, so you have the option to select it from a list. However, if this publication had included the description of a new species from a pre-existing genus described in an earlier work, you can enter the name in the New Parent Name box. If you see the parent genus in the list, you can select it. If it is not in the list, you have the option to create a placeholder record for the genus here. In this case, we're registering a new species in a genus that is already listed in this work, so we need only select it. After selecting the parent genus, click the Confirm button to continue. Now enter the spelling of the species name epithet and other details such as the page on which the formal description begins and any figures and the type specimen and type locality information. You again have the option of entering an authorship for the name that is different from the authorship of the work. Also, for species group names, you can indicate whether the species is based on fossil material. You can continue registering additional new names that were established within this same publication. As was the case with registering a work, when you point your mouse at the blue help icons, you get a short hint about a particular field. If you click on the blue help icon, you get a pop-up form with more information.